A lot of people ask me questions about when they first come in to talk with me about their DUI or their criminal charge. They talk to me about, did they read me my Miranda rights and how will that affect my case? Can I get my case dismissed? Can I get it reduced? Does that cause the court to throw the case out if they didn't read me my Miranda rights? Let me explain to you about Miranda. Miranda has actually been under attack in the Supreme Court for years. But what Miranda is what we all see on television. You've got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. We all remember from seeing hundreds of cop shows and television shows about the police and attorneys on TV and all the great things that they do. We all know what Miranda is. But Miranda only applies after you've been arrested or you are in custody and you're not free to leave. That means that in Georgia, in a DUI situation or a traffic investigation situation, if you haven't been arrested and they're just investigating a DUI or a criminal charge, that means they don't have to read you Miranda rights because you're not under arrest. The reason that they don't read Miranda rights is because they want you to talk about everything that's going on. They want you to say in a DUI case, they want you to admit you've been drinking. They want you to say how much you had to drink, when you had to drink it, whether you feel that you're under the influence of alcohol or not. They want you to perform field sobriety tests. Although they're voluntary, they don't tell you this. They want you to provide that information and that testimony against yourself. Usually it's being recorded on video and audio, or at least the officer's writing it down and making a note of what you're doing and what you're doing wrong and what he can use against you in court. Only after you're arrested, say in a DUI case, after you're arrested and they put you in the car, Miranda will apply. They shouldn't then be able to pull you back out of the car and want you to do more field sobriety tests, blow in a preliminary breath testing device, or do any other type of test they want you to do, or answer any questions. So Miranda only applies after you've been arrested, and if they don't read you Miranda, that doesn't mean that you're going to get your case thrown out. That doesn't mean that the charges are going to be dismissed. It means that you need an attorney that's qualified, competent, and knowledgeable, and ready to fight for your rights.